Our example 4, a little bit more involved here, 125 square centimeters to square feet. Once again, the directions say to convert something. Whatever you're trying to convert goes over 1. So 125 over 1, and square centimeters is centimeters, centimeters. So start off there every single time. What you're trying to convert goes over 1. Square units is units, units. Don't write units squared. I don't have any facts about centimeters going to feet, so I have to do this in a couple steps. I can go from centimeters to inches using the same one we just had a moment ago. 1 inch equals 2.54 centimeters.
12 inches equals 1 foot.
Very good. 1 foot equals 12 inches. So I can go from inches to centimeters, then I can go from inches, or sorry, centimeters to inches, and I can go inches to feet. That's what I can do. So if I first off, let's use different colors here.
Blue.
All right. So 1 inch equals 2.54 centimeters. Parker, where should the centimeter unit go? Very good. And therefore inch goes on top. 1 inch goes with 2.54 centimeters. Centimeters, centimeters, so we need 2 of those. So that's sufficient to get us down to inches, inches. Ryder, where should the unit of inches go on this one? Okay, currently inches is in the numerator, and we want to go to square feet. Right now we're in square inches. Very good, on the bottom. So inches is on top. We want inches on the bottom for cancellation purposes. Feet goes on top, and 1 foot goes to 12 inches. That sufficiently takes care of 1 unit of inch. We still have another unit of inch, so we have to do a second one of those also. All right, and now we're at feet, feet. Notice this time, I've got 125 on top, I've got 2.54 both on the bottom, I got 12 both on the bottom, and let me just take a moment here to tell you how a calculator thinks. Okay, here's how a calculator thinks. It doesn't think. Calculators don't think. Calculators do what they're programmed to do. They have no ability to think. You, the person entering numbers in the calculator, have the ability to think. If the calculator sees this button get pressed, it knows to divide. So if what was my number, 125? 125 divided by 2.54, right? So it knows it's supposed to divide by 2.54. Now this 2.54 is also in the bottom, right? I'm looking at this and I'm seeing 2.54 times 2.54 times 12 times 12 all on the bottom, right? If your calculator sees a times hit, guess where it thinks that 2.54 is at? It thinks it's on the top. So here's how your calculator, and I'm going to use the word think lightly here, but your calculator thinks this. When it sees divided by, it thinks it's on the bottom. When it sees times, it thinks it's on the top. Everything that's on the bottom there, I'm going to hit divided by before it. So 125 divided by 2.54, divided by 2.54, divided by 12, divided by 12. That's how you enter it in any calculator that I've ever seen in my entire life. And I've seen a lot of different calculators. They all want to see divided by to do division. If they see times, they think it's on top. Okay, hit equals, and it comes out to some number. This is 0.13454888802. Again, a couple non-zero decimal places. I would probably stop at 0.13, and that'd be square feet. I would expect that to be your final answer. Please do not leave your answer looking like this. Use a calculator to evaluate the answer on these problems. The book does not do that. I expect you to do that because I think you're smarter than that. And plus the calculator can evaluate it very easily for you without any difficulty.